Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a golden particle logo or text animation in After Effects like this. In this tutorial I used Trapcode particular plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to File and import your logo, or you can add text. Then I'll press S to make it smaller like this. OK, and right click, pre-composite, and I'll name it logo. And make sure that you are on move all attributes into the new composition, then hit OK. Go to File and import your studio reflection, and you can Google it. Drag and drop, press S, and I'll make it also smaller like this. Then go to Effects and Presets, and I'll type Motion, Title, double click or drag and drop. Then check Mirror Edges and increase height, output height, and also output width like this. Okay, so now I'll go to Effect, Blur and Sharpen. Okay, and Fast Box Blur. I'll increase it maybe to 6, or yeah, I need more, yeah, 45. Now go to first frame, keyframe on title center, last frame, and move this image smaller. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll pre-compose it also. And okay, let me name it Studio Reflection. And also make sure that you are on Move All Attributes into the new composition, then hit OK. Now I'll bring this logo up. Then I'll go to Studio Reflection, go to None, and set None to Alpha Matte, and see. Okay, now I'll go to Effects and Presets again and type CC Globalize, drag and drop on Studio Reflection. Okay, and I'll choose here logo. Okay, let me make it full. And also lightness, I'll change it to alpha and see. Also softness, I'll change it to maybe 8, it will be good. Yeah, and cutaway to 6. And this is our logo. Okay, very good. Okay, now let me recompose all layers here. And I'll name it Gold Logo. Then press OK. So now let me add a particle. So I'll go to Layer, New Solid, and I'll name it Particular. Okay, then hit OK. Go to Effect, Trapcode, Particular. Okay, now go to emitter and set point to first. Let me go to gold logo and wiggle switch here and make it 3D. Then go to particle, set point to layer, then go to layer emitter and set none to gold logo. Then I'll go to RGB to set RGB here to none. Okay, then go to velocity. I'll change velocity here to 30 and make all velocity here 0. Okay, and also emitter size Z, I'll change it to 0. Then I'll go to particles per seconds and I'll add 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 and see. Okay, now let me go to particle and I'll change life per seconds to 2. Also, I'll go to life random. I'll increase it around 50. And further, I'll change it to 100. Size, I'll change size here to 2. And size of a life, I'll increase it around 50 also. Opacity, I'll change it to 80. Okay, yeah. And opacity random around 50 also. And let me go to size of a life and presets and I'll choose this one. Also, I'll go to opacity of a life and presets and I'll choose this one. Okay, set normal to add and let me see. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, now I'll go to physics, graffiti, increase it to 250. It will be good for me. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Also open air here, turbulence field, and size I'll change it to 10. Position 100. Okay. And also fading time 0.7. Okay, now let me go to frame 1 second and 15. Then I'll go to emitter here, keyframe, move few forward frames and change this to 0. Let me see. Because I want this particle disappear like this, okay? Yeah. Okay, now I'll go to logo or gold logo, go to tools and rectangle tool and I'll add a mask like this. Okay, then open mask, mask feather, change it to 40. Okay, then also I'll go to frame maybe 115, go to mask path and keyframe and I'll go to 3 seconds forward and double click and I'll bring my mask up like this. Now let me move my points maybe like this. Let me see. Yeah. Yes, very good. Again, see. Yeah. Okay, now let me add color. So let me go to layer, new adjustment layer. Okay, and I'll type here 3 tone on effects and presets, three tone. I'll add in adjustment layer. Okay, and let me change this color, the highlights, to maybe like this, and also here. Yeah, also I'll add a glow, stylize glow. Okay, and I'll go to threshold. I'll change it to maybe 8, it will be good. And radius, I'll go to here in original color, A and B, and also here A and B, and yeah. Okay, now I'll add a background, press OK, and I'll put it down, go to effect, generate. Okay, generate, and gradient ramp and linear ramp. I'll change linear ramp to radial ramp, and let me put this into the middle. Let me change this color like this. Okay, yeah, and this is our logo. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.